asparagus. It's thrilling. Do it now. It's good for you. Anyway, you know the trick where you bend back the branch and where it breaks, that's kind of where you cut it. So I do that. It's almost half of the whole stalk. Then I wash. And if any of you out there have better washing techniques, let me know, because I know it's full of pesticides and all that other shit. And I know you're supposed to do it with vinegar or something. Then you get it on the pan, a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper. I put a touch of garlic salt in there, you'll see. And cook it. I like it a little overcooked, a little crispy on the ends. About halfway through, I'll stir it up, make sure everything's coated nicely. Then when it's done, I dump it out in the bowl, and I cook the second half of the batch, and that's going to be for tomorrow, but while we're doing all this mess, we're going to get it cooked. And the next day, it's good cold if you do it right. So anyway, here's my 2-minute video on cooking asparagus, because we need to be healthy after 50. You need to be healthy at any age. I mean, just look around you. Shit's crazy. Diabetes, all this stuff. So research it, do it, make the changes. Life after 50. Let's try to get healthy.